Wait.
ohnePixel, thanks for subbing.
Do we do it? Oh god, this is a little bit too much, chat. This is actually too much for me as well. Bro, I have my boundaries. I have my boundaries. Darkstar, I appreciate the fucking... Where do I decline? I appreciate the fucking gesture, bro. Guys, drop some fucking hearts for Darkstar just for the gesture. I'm not gonna accept them. Just bought some Legends capsules off the Steam market. Let's have a look, boys and girls. Here we go. I don't even know what we run from this. That's the thing.
Shut the fuck up, you fucking bitch.
Oh, jeepers. Oh my, I love these stickers. Darkstar, Kusma July, yeah? Big time. Let's go. Chat, which one is the more expensive one? I should know this. Okay, this one's the cheaper one. What do we want from this? Definitely not Chris J. Aware. Oh, I love this one. Look at the fucking dragon. I own some of these myself. Prediction. Oh, they are twisted. Mods, you can make one. Just gold in 2 capsules. It's almost impossible though. This one is kind of nice. The Giga Chat sticker, if you don't know about this one, chat. Very cool. Chat, back in the... Look, Tarek Gold. Super thick.
Fuck up, you fucking
Chat, this was back in the day when Valve was still allowing like very, very outlandish signatures. Nowadays, this would get declined. This would get declined. This would definitely get declined. This would absolutely, they wouldn't even consider this one at all. Bro, they changed a lot. This one is nice as well. Zeus, look at that with a little lightning bolt. Holy smokes. Everybody had like a little something, you know. Skadoodle with the little cock and balls. Super cute. Okay, let's go. Vamos. Oh, no mods. Oh my god, man. Bro. Okay, like... do my mods just not do how... do they not know how to do predictions? Or is there nobody here? I'm checking Discord. Please someone... Oh, whatever. Okay, we need to mod someone as well, maybe. Thank you, Ellen, bro, for checking the Discord. Okay, 2 capsules. Gold, no gold. 30 seconds to enter only. All in, boys, all in. Last chance, last chance. Let's get a fucking gold from both of these, alright? Banger video from Ned King. Thank you for the fucking $10. Mr. Ryzen, I will check it out right after this. Yeah? Let's go. Also Mr. Dorster, thank you for the Twitch Prime. Mr. Zaycool, thank you for the 2 months Twitch Prime. Puzzy, thank you. Kuss.
ohnePixel, thanks for subbing.
Here we go, boys. We want a fucking gold eye. Once again. Draken, Kenny S, any gold basically. Or Tarek, I love this one so much. It's so thick. $500. Gold.
ohnePixel,
gold.
thanks for subbing.
Come on! I have no idea about that! Give us the gold! Oscar! Bro, this fucking guy. Okay. From this one. Oha, Olaf Meister, no cap. Oh! This is the one we want. Kishander. This one is gonna be so fucking much. It's not even listed. It's exceeding the fucking market. Hey, New York, thanks for the raid module. I dropped some fucking hearts from Mr. New York chat. Kuss. What the fuck is this? Krishay, what the fuck is that? Bro, these signatures all got accepted back in the day. Nowadays, nothing like that. Nothing. What the fuck is this? He wrote a whole fucking book. Okay, let's go. Is that fucking Jason R? Give me a fucking gold. Or a foil. Kishander, now. Kishander. In 3, in 2, in 1. Come on! Gold. Thanks for the pick, owner. I'll take a fracture case. Thank you, Majola. Kuss, kuss, kuss. Was? Nein! I did not just do that. Oh my god. I can send it back after a week. I can send it back. Say something if I could just... Nein. Guys, I swear, bro. I really wanted to accept the fracture case. Jesus. Drop some hearts for Mr. Duckster. Guys, we need a prediction. Mods. Of course, Mr. Duckster. I appreciate that. Big time, big time, big time. Jesus. That actually felt shameless. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Which one do we start with? I want to start with the minors. And I want to get a juicer like this right here. I want to get a fucking... Oh, my God. SDY gold. Look at those signatures. Those are insane. Somebody literal smoke grenade popping off. Chat. Nowadays you can't make a signature like that. Valve will decline it.
ohnePixel, thanks for
That
subbing.
is crazy. Lecro with a little thing in here. Yay, this guy is a Valorant player now, no? Interesting. All in, boys. We need 4 capsules. Gold or no gold? Oof. I'm feeling a gold, boys. Let's go. Let's go. All in. Last chance. These are insane. Again, Mr. Darkstar, I appreciate you. Look at this one.
ohnePixel, thanks for subbing.
Bondic. With Mandarin signs on it. That is insane. I love these stickers. I love them. Get Right wrote a whole book. Android. What a cool sticker. Let's go, boys. Any gold. In 3. In 2.
Shut the fuck up, you
In
fucking...
1.
Please check
Shut-
my case hardened. And maybe how much
Right here.
us.
Good, good, good. Right here. Good, good, good.
Shut
Good,
the
good.
fuck up, you fucking
Hey,
bitch.
owner, my friend
Shut-
is in Syria for the army wasting his deployment bonuses on skins and would like to know how much this 5.7 he got is worth.
Now. Gold, gold, gold. Give me 1. Oh, sample gold. Oh, man. That is the most expensive one. Who is that? It's simple Alexander Sasha. Which one next? We do the oh my.
Shut the fuck up, you fucking
Can you
bitch.
price check my
Shut-
flip knife Crimson Web?
Any gold, any gold. Any gold, chat. Look at this one. So thick. Copy, imagine. Gold. Gold. Look, Fallen with a little taco. So cute. Gold, gold, gold. Look at Sex got Dosha. In 3. In 2. In 1. Give us the gold. Oh, I saw my whole life flash by. Gold, 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 bring it back. Please. Please. Kishander. Kishander. Kishander on Nico. Kishander on Nico. Kishander on Nico. Or can yes. Or can yes. Kishander on Nico. 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 In 3. In 2. In 1. Kishander on Nico. Please. 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 Kishander on Nico. Kishander on Nico. Good, 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 good. Nico, 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 Nico. How much? How much? Profit has to be... Oof. Oof. That is not bad. That is not bad. Nico, you sexy beast, bro. Oh my god, bro. Good friend of mine, by the way. Good friend of mine. He followed me on Twitter a week ago. Good friend of mine. That makes sense. Thank you for giving me my friend and foil. CSGO, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Oh.